Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to search profile on Facebook. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now this is the home page of your Facebook account, and to search the profile you should have to click on search icon which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Now type a name like this, then tap on search icon which is available on the lower corner of right side. Now you will see a person, so tap on his profile and see. This is the person's profile which you have searched from Facebook. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.